Okay, so today we are going to learn how to create a poster. Okay, so the topic for today's poster will be rains. Okay, so it's raining a lot nowadays. So your topic for the poster is rain. So in the search bar, you will type poster. You can select either poster or poster landscape. That's your choice. I am selecting poster landscape. When I click on poster landscape, I can start from a blank poster, or I can select any template from here and then start from here. So you can select any template if you want to. If you don't want to select any template, okay, so let's select this template. Okay, so when I click on the template that I liked, the template opens in a new tab. Okay, so here is our template. Now I want to write about rains. So I will write I this. The picture should be also of rain side. So we'll click on photos option. In the photos we can select write rain and see what happens. Okay, there are a lot of pictures. Select a picture that is for free. Okay, always pay attention to this thing. Now suppose I select this picture, so I can click on this picture. The picture will come on the screen. You can drag this picture over the picture that is given on, there is a picture given on the poster already, so you can drag this picture over the picture that is given on the poster and see the picture will come inside the frame. Okay, so you can try doing this. If you cannot do this, you can directly remove this picture from here. So you can select this picture, remove this whole thing and just put the picture over here. This picture over here. So both ways you can do it. Now that I am done with this poster,